Okay, you might know how to play with various thicknesses on a pipe. We can give it the thickness and we can play with the scale value for giving it various thicknesses. If you go below 1, this ending becomes thinner if you give it a value bigger than 1. So let's say 2. This ending is thinner and the other one becomes thicker. And let's say that I want here in the middle to have the thickest part. We can simply cut this curve. Let's say here at this snapping point or here, doesn't matter. Create a line and run the cut curve command. Delete the line, the cutter, and run the pipe command. And I will give it something like 0.5 and the scale 0.1. So it becomes 10 times thinner here at the end. I say okay, and I do the same thing here. P 0.5 and scale 0.1. But here it doesn't work as intended. So I have to give this one a value which is 10 times smaller. 0.05, and here a value which is 10 times bigger, so 10, and here we get this result. That looks okay, and if we select both solids, these pipes are solids, and press Q twice, run a union boolean, and if I hide the edges, I have still this ugly thing going on, but I can simply cut this pipe, let's say from here. Let's look from the top view and make sure that both lines are covering this pipe, the solid. And now let's run the cut command. Press C for cut. Select the first line, shift select the second one. Delete this problematic part at the middle and simply run a loft after having deleted these faces. Shift X, select these and press L for loft. And we can even go with the G2 continuity and press OK. And if I select these 3 sheets and press J, we get our solid back, but this time without any creases. And you can continue this game until infinity. Create a control point curve this time, snapping here at this end. So let's create a control point curve, starting here, and look for tangent for this snapping. Create a second control point curve, and then you can continue as you wish, making sure that this starts with the tangency here, gives you better results here at these connecting points. Let's create a control point at this end as well. Pressing Ctrl F, start here. And again, look for this tangent snapping. Okay, and now you can again play around, but leave these two for having a nice tangency here. You can see that we have a cool, smooth curve going on. I start with the piping here at the middle, pressing P, again, section size 0.5, scale 0.1. So this ending is 10 times thinner than this one. I say okay, I select this guy, P, section size 0.5 and scale 0.1, which will not work. This ending has to be 10 times thinner than this one. So therefore I will divide this by 10. Section size 0.05 and the scale 10. And this gives us the desired result. Let's keep on piping 0.05 and scale 10. And let's see if we can pipe this one as well without any problems. P 0.05 and scale 10. That looks okay. And the only thing you have to do now is, this gives us an error, no problem, because of the self-intersection thing. Let's see if we can get away with just deleting one control point. But I will leave this tangency. P 0.05 and the scale, let's this time go with 5. It doesn't have to be 10 and press OK. Now I have my 4 solids which I can union, and I can do the same thing with the cutting of these segments and resurfacing them with the pipe. Yeah, I can of course achieve these results with sweeping, but I just wanted to show you another way. Now I loft. You get the idea. Here I can even go with the G2 and so on. You can make a cool calligraphy and other cool organic stuff. I hope you like this one. Peace! Meet Botley, a robot which you can build in a 5-hour plasticity course packed with dozens of tips and tricks discussed here on my channel.